Wow. So it enables you to do like that. So we can actually do these so that we make it even a little bit better, right? This is what they did in the back then. So you do that like that. And then you say manager details. So manager details. And then you come here and say, enter your details below, right? Once you say enter your details below, you come and do that just to make it prettier. And then you come and do that. So you can even make it a little bit. Welcome. Enter your details below. We'll see how it looks like in the long run. So let's align that like that. Then we come and print banner. So print the banner. Let's remove the top part like that, like that, like that. And then once you print the banner, let's run it and see how it looks like. So you don't put any input, we just want to see how it looks like. So it says manager details, welcome, enter your details below. So that's what triple quotations enables us to do. Now, let's go back and make it a little bit better. So once you have done that, then we can make we can print something like this and then say user details. Sorry, we need to put that. Then we say user details. But now we can make it even better by saying like that. And then we do that. And then we put the name of the person, name like that. And then we say details. Let's see how it will look like. Let's just take a look. So when we run it, it says, welcome. I'll put the manager ID, Kamau. We can say email address Kamau at gmail.com. Then the salary, let's say it's 45,000. And then the sex, it's male. So it says Kamau's details. I don't know if it's making sense. Wow. So you have seen how to print different types of things on the same line. You just use a comma. Now, assuming we want to display all of them on the same line, we would have said name, email address, salary, sex, all of that in the same line. So you can display multiple things on the same line. Now, I have a better way of doing things, which I want you to adopt, and don't use this one. Let me show you how to make things look better. Now, assuming you want to display a variable within some strings, you say print, then you put an F. It's called F string. Then you put the quotation. Now, when you do that, you say, my name is the variable. My name is name. Like that. When you save it and you run it, this is the way I want you to do things. So 234, Kamau, email address is Kamau at gmail.com. The salary is 56,000. The sex is male. So you say, my name is Kamau. This is how I want you to do things. Don't use the commas anymore. And you see the ones which you'll put separated by comma is Kamau, Kamau Ngengi, 5,600, sorry, 56,000 male. So how can we make this one even better so that we have everything in full? So we'll display it. My name is Kamau. And then you say F, my manager ID. My manager ID is...
What's the function of the F?
It's just to show that this string is special, as in you can put a variable within it. If I don't put it, it will shout. Let me show you. Now, let's assume we don't have an F, right? And then I run it. The good thing with Python, it will run until where there's a problem. So Whether it's a good thing or not, it's subject to debate. So I can say Brenda, right? And then I say email address is Brenda at gmail.com. Then we say salary, 456,000, sex, female, right? Now you see it says my name is name the way it is. Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
Can you see the difference? Yeah, good. Now you have seen the importance of the F. If you don't put the F, now it's treated the way it is. But when you say F, it's treated differently. Now I'll say my manager ID is that way, and I'll put just the way you write it in English or in normal way. So my manager ID is manager ID. Then you can say print F. You can contact me at that email address. So email address, right? Then you can say my salary of KES, the salary itself is low. Then you say I am sex. I am sex. Now, when you run this program, what happened? I hope you can hear me. Now, when I run this program, I say manage ID 456. My name is Jamie. My email address is jamie@gmail.com. Salary 456,000 and sex is female. So you see, my name is Jamie. My manager ID is 456. You can contact me at jamie@gmail.com. My salary of Kenya shillings 456,000 is low. I am female. Until there, is that okay? Anyone with a question? If you're okay, just put a reaction, thumbs up, or something. So I guess that's all we are going to do for today. Maybe tomorrow we can do something. Not tomorrow, I'll be in church. Maybe on Thursday, perhaps we can do something. We can do something called we can learn things like string concatenation. We'll look at least a little bit more. We'll look at dictionaries a little bit more. We will look at tuples a little bit more. And I also want to introduce operators. So operators are something like plus, minus, division, multiplication, modulus, and so on and so forth. These are the things, if you can find that someone is good at coding, but since does not know some aspects of operation, they cause a spaceship to crash because maybe they put a plus, they did not focus on precedence, on which one comes first. So I'm not usually a fan of rapid learning because at times you miss certain things and you cause catastrophes, or even maybe you did a division badly, and out of that division or multiplication, since you did not order them well, the company loses money, or it causes some device to kill someone in the ICU just because of not taking things slow and learning too fast. So we look at operators. Yeah, so that's basically what we'll look next time. It will be too early to introduce things like functions. So I believe we'll create a slightly bigger application. Now, I want you to do this when you find time, which hopefully I do. You can now do the part of taking the food details and display them. I'll check them next time. The next time we are here, we'll communicate. Shukran. Anyone with a question?
Yes.
All right, so that will be.
Can I ask?
Unatumia Ubuntu ama Git kama nini yako?
Yeah, I'm using Ubuntu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nakutafuta.
Yes.
I'll look for you.
Haya, ni sawa sawa. So this is it. So we can meet next time. Thank you, Jamie. Yeah. So let me get into
That's
the.
nice. It has
I
been
am
nice.
welcome. So the next time we look at what I've proposed, maybe you can look at them in advance so that I can clarify. It would be easier. And you should pick some few things. Some things are not good to do, some things are good to adopt. So until next time, yeah.
Thanks for your time, man.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.